Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we are testing the viral cleaning hack if 100% acetone will really take the stickers or the printing off of store-bought containers. So all you're going to need is 100% acetone. That 100% is really important. You need that level of acidity to be able to rub off these stickers or the labels, whatever you want to refer to these as the outside of your containers. I'm using an old ricotta container, but you can use whatever you have, yogurt, anything like that, sour cream that has this kind of printing on the outside. You're going to take your 100% acetone of your nail polish remover and just start buffing that in. You can use cotton pads, you can use paper towel, whatever you want. So you can see after a couple of minutes, it is starting to pull up. I scrubbed this one spot on this container for about 5 minutes, and you can see it definitely starts lifting it, it starts pulling it up. However, this would take a lot of acetone and a lot of elbow grease to be able to do this entire container, especially where that red is. That takes a lot more time and a lot more elbow grease to be able to lift that red color off of here. So what I would recommend if you really have your heart set on doing this is buying a big thing of acetone and just soaking these and scrubbing them like the next morning, letting them soak overnight in that acetone. So I think it does work, but it's not super effective.